Today we are going to be making a game with only one block of code, and it's going to be a tower game like this. So first we're going to delete the cat and paint, and since it's going to be like building a tower, we're going to make this brick shape and then put little windows. And then after we're done, we're going to duplicate this and then add a roof. And then we're going to rename these to roof and floor. Now in the code, we are going to make two variables called score and tower x. And then we're going to add an extension called pen. This is what we're going to use to stamp the tower onto the bottom of the screen and stamp when it falls. And now we're going to start with when a green flag clicks. We are going to set the size to half because this is pretty big. Or 75. Then we are going to switch the costume to the floor and set both score and tower x to 0. Now we are going to erase all. We are going to set the rotation style to don't rotate. And then we are going to go to 0 minus 150. And then we are going to stamp. Then we are going to repeat about 10 times. Go to 0, 140. And then we are going to repeat until the space key is pressed. Then we are going to move 10 steps, and if on edge, bounce, so it'll keep bouncing between these two sides. Now we're going to put another repeat until, so this time we are going to repeat until we're touching the color of the other side. Until touching color red. Then we are going to change y by minus 10 to make it fall down the screen. Then we are going to put another stamp. Then change score by minus abs of minus. So change score by 10 abs of tower x and x position. So that will change the score by how close the towers are stacked together. So now we're gonna set the tower X to the X position. And then all the way at the bottom, we're gonna switch the costume to the roof. And also you can add a backdrop. I am gonna choose Night City, the street. And we can start. Let's try this out. So 10 was too much, either that or we could just make the tower smaller to set to 50. Let's try that. And also, it's going in the minuses, so we're gonna need to increase this number to 100. And repeat should be at around 7. Okay, 7 is good. And also, when the tower hits the other side, I want to add a little shake effect. So we can go to My Blocks and make a block called Shake. And under the define shake, we are gonna put change X by -2 and change X by +2 and duplicate that twice. Then we are gonna wait 0.02 seconds. And also maybe we could do a little effect, which would be change brightness effect by 15 and duplicate this again at the bottom and put it as -15. Okay, we could try this out now. Alright, I forgot. We're gonna put the block, shake, if then, and put it under. And also a sound effect would be nice, so we could go to choose a sound. And crunch is perfect. So we could put start sound crunch, and we could test this out again. And I still think we need to take the sound size down to 40. So last time, and this time we could put it to 160 and 150 since we bopped the size down. Let's try again. I just made a little change to the roof, so it'll place exactly on top now. And this is the last time. I think this is almost done. Yep. So that's how you make a tower game in Scratch with only one block if you exclude effects. And thank you guys for watching, and bye.